Cherie for Just Nailed It, and it is SheModern Saturday. This week we are going to be doing a little French manicure with the pigments with a twist. We'll get to the twist all in due time. 3 nails I have already done. I have done the navy blue glitter color. The index nail, I have got the silver hollow glitter color, beautiful color. The pinky nail, I have got the lime green hollow. They're all beautiful colors. These 2 nails we are going to do together. I am going to take my glue gel, also by SheModern. All these products you can find on their website. I'm going to wipe off both sides of the brush and just go in where I think the smile line would and should be. And then I'm kind of gonna go at an angle with it just a little bit. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the other nail. And then go at an angle. There we go. And we are going to stick these in the lamp for 30 seconds. Make sure your other gel products are closed so they are not getting cured as well as your nails. We are going to be adding some bling as part of our little twist. We'll get to that all in due time. I'm still going to be using the red glitter. I think that is really, really beautiful. And also royal purple. I think that's another gorgeous color. Purple happens to be my favorite. So I'm going to get my palette. Just mixed up my nails, figure out which is which. Alright. We're going to go in with our red. Now, some of these bottles are free pouring, so be careful. A little does go a long way, so you don't need a super lot. Love SheModern products, as you can tell. Get my brush. I think we missed a spot. Didn't plan for this. This was not up in our plans. Let me find, wasn't prepared for this. I need my cleanup brush. Okay, got that. Yeah, no lint-free wipe, some alcohol. Wet my brush here. And come along and clean up this line just a little bit. Trying to get the red glitter off the nail. A little bit higher than what I wanted. There we go. Which I didn't do what I did with the other 3. I'll show you what I did do. This is what I should have done. This is the #1 stencil. Line that up on your nail. Get your pigments. This should give you a nice crisp line. So go in just a tad bit more. Brush that in real well. Get your brush. Peel your stencil. And there you go. You can tap this off. Get your lip-free wipe. There you go. Now, what I am going to do on these two nails also, this is my twist. I'm going to get the glue gel again, because I know I don't have a tacky layer still in the upper part of the nail. This time I'm just going to come down into the smile line, bring it up. Go all the way down, don't be scared. Alrighty, we're going to cure these again for another 30, and I will be right back. Alrighty, we are back. Now for our twist. I am taking the white Twinkling Galaxy powder. If I need my palette again, don't I? Jumped the gun there. Take and sprinkle this about your nail. And rub it in. And there we go. I think it gives it a nice, beautiful twinkling effect. I've already done the other nails. We're going to top coat these and add some bling along the smile line. And there we go. I think that is really beautiful. It is very subtle. Whoops. Sorry about that, I'm over here throwing things about, knocking things over. Now we're going to go on with our top coat, as well as get our gems over here. Shoot. I'm just batting 1,000. Oh my goodness. After knocking something over that many times, you have to laugh. Oh lordy. Now wipe off one side of your brush. You're going to get a nice healthy bead. Float it over your nail. I think I'm running out of top coat. Do your 3 passes along your nail. Get that one more down the center. So much for my 3 passes. Probably should cap the end of your nails as well with these. Now, I am gonna, because these are glitters, I'm gonna stick these in and cure them. So we will be top coating twice. Alright, we're back, fresh out of the lamp. Didn't even know we were going to. We're going to top coat for a second time. Yeah, I think I'm definitely running on top coat. This is where we are going to add our gems. Alrighty. I'll probably have to do maybe, I want to add one in the center of each nail. Okay. Whoop. There. Let me put these away real quick. And then get some of the smaller ones out. And place one at each side. Hope I'm in frame. If I'm not, I'm very sorry. There we go. Trying to flip these babies over. I'm going to pop these two in the lamp. While I work on the others. Hope you're enjoying your Saturday so far. They say it's going to be a beautiful day. Here in Michigan it is supposed to be, I think, around 70, which is going to be beautiful compared to the 90-degree weather we were having. So I welcome it. I welcome it. I cannot wait. Open the window, shut the air off. My gem does not want to come off the picker upper. Okay, we had to flip it. put it back in place now. Alright. Our other two nails are finished in the lamp. So we're going to get those out and then cure these and we'll be done. There we go. Here are our other two that are finished so far. What do you think? This is our royal purple and our lime green. I think these turned out really, really well. These are our index and pinky finger. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful day. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Please click the bell. Excuse me. And click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. Normally I run 3 times a week. Lately it's a slightly bit higher. It could be 4 to 5 times a week. I got a Tuesdays my acrylic series, my docu-series, learning acrylics. And I thought I had the index and pinky finger. I had the ring finger and the pinky finger. So there we go. So let's see. Tuesdays are docu-series. Saturdays are SheModern Saturday. Thursdays, it could be anything. And it could be anything I'm doing. And lately I'm running, you know, maybe 1 or 2 extra videos a week because I've got so much I want to share with you. And I hope that you appreciate that. And that you're going to give things a full view. I am in need of 4,000 watch hours. I am currently around, oh boy, I don't know if it was 1,800, 1,900. And I need up to 4,000 to be monetized at 1K. I'm at 443, I think. So we still have a little ways to go and a little bit of time, but it takes a lot of effort on everyone's part. And so I invite you to be along with me on this journey, to continue on it with me and see where it goes, see where it leads us all. Well, this is the conclusion of our video. Let me comment down below. Let me know what you think of my French manicure with a twist. Have a blessed day and thank you.